Hello, Professor. This is Cynthia. So basically, I'll be presenting my assignment 4. So just to quickly explain, in my Android manifest, I included the permissions I needed for the camera and to record the audio. No permissions from the requirements was required to send messages. So I do have a main activity here where it has the 3 buttons for each of the other activities. Then we have capture picture, record sound, and send SMS. So I'm going to run the app and then we'll have a look at how the app works. Okay. So I'm running it through my phone. So connect the device first and we will run the app from here. Just taking a little bit of time. Okay, so that's our main activity, and then we have 3 buttons as the requirements had. So one to capture picture, record sound, and send SMS. And once I click each of these through the intent feature, it's going to direct me to the required app. So we're going to start with the picture. So it brings me here, and then I'll do capture picture. Okay, so again, that's because for the permission, the app wasn't allowing the camera. So as we did for the assignment, I'll just go directly through my apps and I'm going to allow the permission for it. So it's assignment 4. And then we'll see a permission. So currently, we have no permissions allowed. So I'm going to allow the camera. So first, because we are starting with this one, so when using the app, I'm not doing the sound now because when we move on to that second activity, I want it to automatically ask the user first. So we allow for the camera. So we are giving permission to it right now. So we can definitely rerun our app and then request to capture picture. And then it works. So I'm just having it right here on my screen. So I just took a picture and then we said we could have a look at the options if the customer confirms that the picture is okay. I do have my picture here, so it works perfect. And that's it. So moving on to the other one. So we've tested camera picture. I'm going to move on to the record sound. So this is the permission I did not give before because I wanted it to pop up here. So it's asking if I want to allow assignment 4 to record audio. So I will confirm by saying while using the app. And then it opens its own activity. So this is the voice recording demo, which I could do. So I will do start recording. And I have a toast telling me the recording has started. And I see this little green button here. So I'm going to stop recording now. It tells me again recording stopped. It's a bit blurry because I'm having it connected through my phone. It's not running directly from the computer from the issues I had before with my Android Studio not working. So the recording stopped. And then to play the recording, basically I will go to, I just click on the button, but since it's from the emulator, we can't hear anything. So I'll just open that into the device explorer just so we are sure that we have everything that works perfect. And it's in SD card, Android data. I'll just look for the name of our file, which is this assignment 4. So this is it, com.cynthia Seneca assignment 4 cache, and I have my audio recording here. So once I double click, and I have a toast telling me the recording has started, and I see this little green button here. So I'm going to, okay, it basically recorded me when I was speaking. So that's it. We have the recording saved. That was for the second one. So we're done with the voice recording activity. So we'll move on to the last one, which is send SMS. Here, basically, we had to implement validations and error handling. So validations are for the phone number if it respects the phone number format, and for the message as well, like if a user does not enter a message and just wants to send a SMS. So we'll have a look at that here. So to enter phone number, I'm going to just enter. Normally, we know phone numbers here are 10 digits, so I'm going to enter just, let's say, 5 and see what it tells me. So I will click on send SMS. It tells me please enter a valid phone number. So it's not valid. I'll try with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. That's 10 digit. And if I do send SMS, now it tells me message cannot be empty. So this validation passed, but this not because it's empty. So I'm going to send a text from here. I'll just say hello from Cynthia. And then I will send my SMS, and that's it. So this is the phone number I entered, and this is the text message. And if I just click here, it's going to send, but basically that it works as required. So I'm going to retry as well with the phone number because I allow dashes for customers that I use to enter digits this way. So again, if I just put 9 to try, it will tell me enter valid phone number because it's 9 digits, not 10 as we know normally. If I do send SMS, it takes perfectly. So it works as well with dashes. So in terms of completing what we had to do, basically these are what we could do for assignment 4, meeting all the requirements as mentioned. So that's it. Thank you, Professor.